7:46. Sun rise is at 8:18-ish. Can't get quite green, but everyone says it's about 20 past 8. A big, huge band of cloud is still out there. So I don't know. Sky's getting light really fast. Let's go with 8 seconds at f16. Single shot. And wind it on. Awful lot of boats out there, but nothing's been obstructed by the lighthouse, so it might actually look kind of cool. Quite nice out here in the morning, in the pre-dawn light, because there's nobody freaking out here, even though it's quite cold. It's December morning. There's nobody here. Absolutely not a sinner. Apart from the random joggers who come up to the end of the pathway and turn around. Got my composition, got my frame, and now it's just time to let the sun come up. Sky's getting light. We go for another one. See, 10. Sky's already 2 stops brighter. A little more than that, actually. I'm going to crush out those shadows pretty hard. I want to capture the sky and crush that out. And that's a big ass boat coming out along. 8, little middle tone. Go a third of a stop more. So that puts us at 1 second. Okay, flip this up and click. I'm only metering the sky because the ground in front, I really don't care about it too much. Like, it's just black rocks, and the framing I've gone for here literally just puts it as black rock. Not the black rock that's over there, the black rocks in front of me. There's no detail in it anyway, it's all just mossy crap. So the idea is to try and make a silhouette out of that in the lighthouse. Unfortunately, the boats are being a bit of a prick. But then again, I am set up pointed at the entrance to Dublin Port. So, you know, only myself to blame. So it's currently, check the time, 8:19. Now that should be a glorious sunrise, you know, ball of fire coming up to illuminate gorgeous sky, nice gap, bit of cloud mix, beautiful fire red colour. That's what the weather told me. Either the weather lied to me or I didn't read it right. And that's what we ended up with. The smidgen of a sunrise, a smidgen, hidden behind just this blanket of smoggy roughness. That's minorly annoying. Exposure is halfway between f8 and f11 is 1/60th. That translates to 19 seconds, so we're going to stop the aperture down half a stop and go for another shot. And click. 19 seconds. With a 10 stop ND because we'll ends the exposure. Winder on. You've got 9, 10, 11 and 12. We've got 4 shots left. I'm gonna go hide from the wind for a bit. It's freaking cold. This is gonna be the last 2 exposures. I've got 4 second, 8 second lined up, I think. I might get 1 or 2 left on the roll. These are gonna be the last 2, but also because that is sailing across the bay. And it's going to be in the shot for a considerable amount of time ending this, so let's get these last 2 done. 8 seconds. Okay, good route reciprocity failure. That's nice. Means I don't need to use the T mode on the lens anymore. Flick up the mirror. Thought there was something else. Forget. 8 seconds. The sun just peeking out. And that's a wrap. 12 frames. I'm going to pack it up and go get a nice hot coffee somewhere. Because I am freezing my ass off. So as you've probably guessed by the video so far, that shoot was pretty much a failure. I did get the negatives developed, and while the image themselves didn't actually turn out all that great, I did manage to get the exposure and metering correct. So, you know, silver lining and all that. From a technical aspect, the photo came out how I wanted. From an actual like visual being a good photograph aspect, not so much. And that's pretty much it from this video. Very basic, simple. Here's the photo from it. It's not very good. And that's it. Guess I'll have to try again next time. Yeah. Okay then. See you in the next video.